Okay, so if we multiply this using the distributive law, we write 3 times 8 minus 10i plus 7i times 8 minus 10i. That's a step I really want to see. Then we can multiply 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 10i is 30i. 7i times 8 is 56i. 7i times negative 10i is negative 70i squared. Well, that's going to be 24. I might as well combine minus 30i and 56i, which is plus 26i. Then that's minus 70 times negative 1, so I squared is negative 1. That's going to be plus 70, 94. Plus 26i. I see a lot of it. I see a lot of people do it pretty much. Okay, it's really kind of what I want to see on this. But if you get the right answer, probably do it right. You say anybody using calculators, how you get the right answer without there. Okay, so I answer. Okay, 3 plus 7i divided by it minus 10i. Now here, I saw some errors on this. Not too many. I saw a lot of errors in this. So let's talk about why we do what we do. Multiply by the numerator and denominator by the same thing, so we don't change the value of the quotient. And what we multiply by is 8 plus 10i. 8 plus 10i divided by 8 plus 10i. And what that's going to do is it's going to make this into a real number down here. So we don't have a complex number divided by a complex number. We have a complex number divided by a real number, which we can put in a standard complex number form. So I'm going to use the distributive law again. I recommend you use it because if you make a mistake, you would have avoided using the distributive law and a lot less lenient than if you use the distributive law and make a mistake. Get it right and skip a couple of steps. Pretty much all right. Don't skip too much. Okay, just writing out the distributive law. Application of the distributive law here. 3 plus 7i times 8 plus 10i is 3 times 8 plus 10i plus 7i times 8 plus 10i. How do I remind yourself of that? 8 minus 10i times 8 plus 10i is 8 times 8 plus 10i minus a 10i times the 8 plus 10i. And then we multiply this out. And we get this. Now this numerator is just, well, it isn't exactly simple. Okay, so we put this together, and there are steps. On the steps you see here, I'm not going to bother writing out, but and you want to fill in those steps if you're doing it, but I'm not going to write out all the details here. You're going to get this, where really all I've done Because I've added these terms. With the I. And you notice that all the i's go away from the denominator. Then you just do the arithmetic. You get 24 minus 70, which is 46. So minus 46 plus 56i divided by 164. Then we write this in final form of complex numbers. Standard form is the real part plus the imaginary part and then we reduce the fraction. It's not going to be very easy. 14 over 41 times 5. Now, this is the one. If you get this, don't reduce it. You've got to dig your point. So, kind of be sure you reduce it. But I'm not going to allow that little oversight to destroy your grade. Okay, there we got it. Now we have another problem where we're subtracting two complex numbers, and I guess I'll do that. I'm going to not do it. It's straightforward. I'm just going to kind of do it right here. Okay, so we're going to have, in this case, it'd be like -3 plus 7i minus 8 minus 10i. Now that equals, so this is just going to give you -3 plus 7i. These aren't really necessary here. Then we have to distribute the negative through here, so we get -8 plus 10i. And then we can change the order. Put the two numbers next to each other, put the two real numbers next to each other, and the two complex numbers next to each other. We get -11 plus 17i. So addition and subtraction are just what we expect, and they're very straightforward.